In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get WooCommerce product categories so you can manage, organize and structure your store more effectively. If you're using WooCommerce, keeping your product categories organized is essential for both your workflow and your customer's shopping experience. Let's dive in. Start by heading over to your WordPress dashboard. On the left hand side, look for the products menu. Hover over it or click it and then select categories from the drop down. This brings you to the main categories page where all your product categories are listed. Here you'll see every category you've created so far, including the name, description, slug, and how many products belong to each one. You can click on any category name to view or edit its details, change its hierarchy, adjust descriptions, or update images depending on your theme. If you want to add a new category, look to the left side of the page. You'll see the Add New Category panel. Type the name of your category into the name field, ideally something clear and descriptive so customers can easily navigate your store. Below that, you can add a slug, which is your clean URL-friendly version of the name. If you're unsure what to put here, you can leave it blank and WooCommerce will automatically generate one for you. You'll also find the parent category drop-down. This is helpful when creating subcategories. For example, you might have a main category called shoes and a subcategory called running shoes. Just select the parent category if you want your new category to fall under an existing one. Don't forget the description field. While optional, adding a short description can improve SEO and help customers understand what's inside a category. If your theme supports it, you'll also see an option to add a category image. Just click Upload/Add Image to choose one from your media library. Once everything looks good, click Add New Category. Your new category will instantly appear in the list and will be available when adding or editing products. And that's it. That's how you get and manage WooCommerce product categories in 2025. Keeping this area organized makes your store easier to navigate, improves customer experience, and helps you maintain clean product structures. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more WooCommerce tutorials.